Hi guys, you're welcome again to my channel where we talk all about emergency health and wellness tips. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to perform testicular self-examination. Don't go away. If you're just visiting my channel, thank you so much for coming. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And to my subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. It means so much to me. I love you guys. There's no sure way to prevent testicular cancer. However, testicular self-examination is recommended to identify testicular cancer at its earliest stage. When found early, testicular cancer is very curable. Testicular self-examination is best performed after a warm bath or shower when the testicles are relaxed. Cup one testicle at a time using both hands. Examine by rolling the testicle between the thumb and fingers using slight pressure. Familiarize yourself with the spermatic cord and the epididymis. That is the tube-like structure that connects on the backside of each testicle. Feel for lump, change in size or irregularities. It is normal for one testis to be slightly larger than the other. Lump or bumps are not normal even if they cause no pain. Feel the whole surface. The firmness of the testis should be the same all round. If you notice a lump or any changes over time, you should seek medical help. It may be nothing, but if it is testicular cancer, it can spread very quickly. Also see a urologist if you experience any pain, swelling, lump in your testicle or groin area, especially if these signs and symptoms last longer than 2 weeks. Note that early detection is a sure way to prevent cancer from spreading. So guys, we've come to the end of this very short video, but I'm sure you can now effectively perform testicular self-examination. Please, if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below and I will attend to them. Give me a thumbs up by clicking on the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. It is free. Click on that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos. I'm your next door nurse and I'm just a knock away. I love you guys. Bye for now.